Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Pepe itself. Today we reached 48,000 subscribers. Thank you to each and every one of you guys, whether you're new, whether you're an OG. This has been a long journey. I've put in so much time and, appreciate each and every one of you guys for showing tremendous amount of love. Off to 50,000 subscribers and then onwards to the main goal, which is the 100,000 subs. And I need each and every one of you guys to come on board. So looking at the overall markets, you are seeing some coins up quite a bit right now. You're seeing a NOD token, which is really hot right now within the markets, up 17.1%. You're seeing Brett, Jasmine, Caspa, but majority of the market is lagging right now. Once again, Pepe seeing a 5.5% retracement on the daily time frame. So let's take a closer look, see what is happening, and of course what is yet to come. But before we do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So looking at the price, 1435, still 4 zeros in front of the price. As mentioned, down about 5.5% in USD comparative, as well as Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative. Right now, if you're looking at the market cap is just above $6 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume has decreased quite substantially. Right now, we're sitting below $1 billion. But let's take a closer look, see what is happening, and obviously what has changed and what could be happening as we do go further into this week. So let's take a look at the holder count continuing to increase. I'm not surprised at this. This is something that has been on an upwards trajectory day by day, no matter whether the price is seeing a retracement, cool off, whether the price is pumping. You've seen the holder count just increasing, though. That is obviously really nice to see, and it kind of goes unsaid. But let's take a look at what's happening with the broader meme coin market. Is it just Pepe that's seeing this retracement, or are we seeing this across the board? So let's take a look at that. So if we're looking at the overall meme coin market, believe it or not, the overall meme coin market cap has not changed as much. We've barely seen a difference. We're actually up 0.3%. But if you're noticing right now, over the last 24 hours, Brett token, this thing is going crazy right now. But pretty much other than that, you are seeing quite a bit of retracement across the board, especially over the last 24 hours. So this kind of gives us an indication that it's just not Pepe. We are seeing the broader market kind of seeing a sideways momentum. So that is obviously really good to know. But now, with that said, let's take a look at the price and see what we're looking at. So if you're looking at the price right now, the dominance right now is picking up. So, the dominance is actually picking up quite a bit. We're almost at 55% in terms of the dominance index. So that's quite, a great indication as to why we're seeing quite a bit of lag right now for the overall altcoins. Pretty much look across the board right now, you are seeing pretty much everything right now that is down in terms of altcoins, and that kind of has that correlation with the BTC dominance index. So it kind of answers my overall question as to why you're seeing quite a bit of pullback within the markets, but nothing too major. We're not seeing a major pullback, just minor, so we'll take that. But let's take a look at BTC. So Bitcoin had a great day. Bitcoin actually made its way up to $70,000. The target that I was speaking about yesterday, we did end up seeing BTC actually getting back to that 70k zone. So obviously we broke out of that key resistance, but again, you're finding that key resistance once again coming in our way. But the craziest thing is we did end up seeing BTC go up to $70,000. Great. This is giving me a good indication that this month is going to be a great month as far as Bitcoin price is concerned. And due to this move right here is the reason as to why we did see the dominance index also going up, and so those are some factors we need to consider. But let's take a look at Pepe as to what is happening with it. So as of recording this update, of course, you're looking at the daily time frame right now. You're seeing the price of Pepe sitting below the key support at the 1460 zone. We're actually below this right now, and as you guys know, this is an extremely important support line, which of course right now is playing as a level of resistance. I would really like to see the price of Pepe actually staying above there. So what I'm going to do is switch the charts to the hourly, and let's take a closer look and see what we are kind of noticing right now. So if you're looking at the price price of Pepe right now, you are seeing the price going below this key support line. As I've mentioned, we're seeing dominance going up. I think that's a huge catalyst. And also on top of that, if you're looking at the previous runs, at one point this was an all-time high. So we do have significant amount of support around that level. But with that said, now you guys can see this for yourself. If this support is to be lost, we could see a retest at the 1387 zone. So those are some realistic targets that we need to be aiming. Even though Bitcoin is looking great, dominance right now is picking up traction, and this is why it's so important to understand how the dominance works. And I'm sure a lot of people are starting to realize that dominance is no joke. You can see dominance went up. Bitcoin went up to 70,200, and a lot of altcoins are lagging right now. So that's how I'm currently analyzing the price. So far so good. What I would really like Pepe to do is remain above this key resistance. It's extremely important to really make this support solid. Obviously, if it stays above there, the more the support gets solid. But we'll take it one step at a time. Take a look at the bigger picture. The overall market is seeing a little bit of a cool off right now, not just Pepe. If you look at the broader market, it kind of gives you a better understanding as to what really is going on. So I'm liking what I'm seeing. I still think Pepe is on its way to get to levels like Shiba Inu in the previous cycle. That's my own personal opinion. Of course, a lot of people agreed with my overall take as to what I personally think the all-time high for Pepe will be this cycle. But again, that's my own personal opinion. Do let me know down below what you guys think. What are you guys doing right now? I love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.